guys, welcome to Brains at the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's topic, we're going to be talking about abortions, and it look like the Jamaican woman them now mad for fling with the belly them, cause them abortion statistics here crazy. It says some 22,000 pregnancies are aborted annually in Jamaica, and this is only a rough estimate from research done by the Caribbean Policy Research Institute, which believe that the figures for this clandestine criminal act could be more. The data further reveal that Jamaican taxpayers fork out approximately US $1.4 million each year to fund the country's healthcare system struggling with complications caused from unsafe abortions island-wide. So taxpayers, when they pay on the money, when them woman go dash with the belly them and don't do it in a safe environment. So it says the study dubbed Coming to Terms, the cost of unequal access to safe abortions in Jamaica. We will officially launch this Thursday, and this is the latest twig in a bonfire debate over whether Jamaica's abortion laws should be amended to provide safer legal options, especially for the island's poorest women. There are no official figures for the number of abortions conducted in Jamaica each year, as most of these abortions are clandestine. The estimates vary between 10 and 37% of all pregnancies annually, read an excerpt of the study obtained by Jamaica Gleaner last week. Given that up to 43% of the complications in early pregnancy may be due to attempted termination of the pregnancy. The cost to Jamaica's public health system is large, it said, adding that social stigma, psychological trauma, and home instability that often rise from criminal practice are not reflected in the number. Okay. In addition, the costs related to the treatment of complication, disability, or death due to abortion-related complication incur indirect costs to household and to society, and these may transfer through generation, the study also noted, which Capri's executive director, Dr. Damian King, later told the newspaper was reflective of dozens of interviews conducted all over the island. So they actually went in and asked women if they ever had an abortion. These costs are largely borne by Jamaica's poorest and most vulnerable women and their families. Women from higher socioeconomic quantities are able to readily access safe abortions, the study highlighted, noting that psychological strain on some mothers and their living children. Among those seeking abortions in the underworld are many teenagers, young adults dogged by concerns about poverty, the disruption of education or employment, and the desire for existing children, and in cases where expected mothers are confused with no support from their unborn child's father. Still others are seeking abortion because of family preferences, the findings outlined, and they also said the study shows that these illegal abortions are a burden on the state. And if you pay your taxes, then you should know that it ain't no joke. You're paying for these complications that happen with these abortions. And I honestly feel like this is 2021. The laws in Jamaica need to be amended, and women need to have access to safe abortions, because I feel like a woman has a right to choose. I also feel like men has to have an input also, but I feel like it's a woman's choice. But that's a whole nother video for a whole nother topic. And my belief on that is also very unpopular, but I believe men should also have a say in that. But as far as Jamaica laws is concerned, I feel like it needs to be amended because more and more women want access to affordable and good abortion options. If these many illegal abortions are happening in Jamaica, why not legalize it? Why not make it affordable and accessible to people? People are losing their life trying to get them, and then the state has to pay for it. So it's very sad that in this time and age, women don't have access to stuff like this, which I feel like is a right that all women should have. But this is Jamaica, and the laws definitely need to be amended. I feel like the only reason why this law has not been amended in Jamaica is because of Jamaica's heavily influenced Christianity society. And I feel like how heavily influenced we are with Christianity is a big reason why these laws haven't been amended. And the fact that that is one of the reasons why it hasn't been amended is crazy to me, because a lot of these pastors, a lot of these deacons, they write off these little girls. I'm sorry, I don't care. They write them up and getting them these illegal abortions. I'm not afraid to say it happen all the time. Enough of them pastors get locked up all the time for rape off these little pitney. So the fact that they don't want them to have accessible legal ways of having an abortion is crazy to me. Crazy. And the church to me is very hypocritical on stuff like this. I feel like we have enough kids in state care that don't have any home, and if a woman and man feel like they're not ready to have a child, they should be afforded the option to not have one, and also not bring a child into society that's going to suffer, that's not gonna have an absentee dad or mom and be a menace to society. Okay, I feel like they should have that option. It's their right to have that option. But we live in a world, especially in Jamaica, where they're so behind time that is crazy. Anyways, comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Can you believe that Jamaicans are having 20,000 abortions? And this is on the lower spectrum, okay, because they're not actually physically able, because a lot of these are illegal abortions. They're not physically able to keep statistics of how much it is, because we're behind time and we don't want to legalize it and give women access to it. So this is on the lower spectrum, and this is just what they think, the average number that they think. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section about abortion. Do you believe in it? Do you not believe in it? Do you feel like men also needs to play a part in the say in abortions? What do you think that men should actually say and do in that situation? I'm gonna definitely make another video about what I think as far as men having input on abortions, because that's gonna be a whole different video. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.